Have you ever worked really hard on your IELTS essay only to get a bad score? I know how frustrating that is. A big reason for low scores is something you might not expect: bad paragraph structure. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how to structure your paragraphs for IELTS Writing Task 2 so you can get the high score you want. You might think, it's what I write that matters most, right? Yes, good ideas are important, but you have to explain them clearly. Without clarity, even the best ideas can get lost in translation. Imagine a book with no chapters, just a mess of words. It would be chaotic and overwhelming. It would be impossible to read. You'd quickly lose interest and give up. That's how an examiner feels when an essay has bad paragraphs. They struggle to follow your argument and get frustrated. Clear paragraphs are like signs, showing the reader where your argument is going. They guide the reader smoothly through your essay. They show the examiner that you can organize your thoughts and write clearly. This organization reflects your understanding and mastery of the topic. This is super important for getting a band 7 or higher. Examiners look for clarity and coherence in your writing. A good paragraph is like a 3-course meal. Each part has its role and contributes to the overall experience. You start with an appetizer, your topic sentence. This introduces the main idea of the paragraph. Then the main course, your supporting sentences with details and examples. These sentences develop and explain your topic. Finally, dessert, your concluding sentence, which wraps up the paragraph. It provides a satisfying end to your argument. Without clear paragraphs, your essay is a jumbled mess, and the examiner can't understand your ideas. This lowers your score significantly. So remember, clear paragraphs aren't just pretty, they help you communicate and get a higher score. They are essential for effective writing and academic success. Let's look at some examples of good and bad paragraphs to understand the difference. Let's say you're writing about exercise, a common topic with plenty of material to cover. A bad paragraph might look like this. Exercise is good for you. It can help you lose weight and have more energy. Some people go to the gym while others prefer running outside. There are many different types of exercise, like swimming, dancing, and playing sports. It's important to find something you enjoy. You see how that jumps around? There's no clear topic or focus, making it hard to follow. Now here's a good paragraph that maintains a clear and consistent focus. Regular exercise offers numerous physical benefits. For instance, it helps control weight by burning calories and boosting metabolism. Moreover, exercise increases cardiovascular health, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Therefore, incorporating exercise into your routine leads to a healthier and more energetic lifestyle. This paragraph starts with a clear topic, the benefits of exercise, and each sentence builds on this idea. Each sentence explains this idea in detail, and the last sentence effectively summarizes the main point. Big difference, right? A good paragraph has a clear structure that guides the reader through the content. It starts with a topic sentence, followed by supporting sentences with examples, and ends with a concluding sentence that wraps up the idea neatly. Chapter 3. How to structure a paragraph. In this chapter, we will break down the essential components of a well-structured paragraph, making it easy for you to write clearly and effectively. Here's a simple recipe for great paragraphs. Just like following a recipe in cooking, you need the right ingredients and steps. Step 1. Start with a strong topic sentence. This sentence should clearly state the main idea of your paragraph. This is the main idea. It sets the stage for everything that follows. Example: education plays a vital role in individual and societal development. This sentence introduces the topic and prepares the reader for the details to come. Step 2. Provide supporting sentences. These sentences should offer evidence, examples, or explanations that back up your topic sentence. These give evidence and examples. They help to clarify and expand on the main idea, making your argument stronger. Example: education empowers individuals with knowledge and skills, enabling them to pursue better career opportunities. This sentence supports the main idea with specific details. Step 3. Use transition words. These words and phrases help to connect your ideas and make your writing flow smoothly. Words like, for example, moreover, however, and in addition, make your writing flow smoothly. They guide the reader through your argument. Step 4. End with a concluding sentence. This sentence should summarize the main idea and provide a sense of closure. This wraps up the paragraph. It reinforces the main idea and leaves the reader with a final thought. Example: therefore, investing in education is crucial for both personal and societal progress. This concluding sentence ties everything together. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier it gets. So start practicing today. Remember, writing is a skill that improves with practice and dedication. So there you have it. How to write great paragraphs for your IELTS essays. Remember, clear paragraphs are key to a high score. Practice this structure, and your scores will go up. Want more IELTS tips? Like this video and subscribe for more videos. Leave a comment below telling me what other IELTS topics you want to learn about. Until next time, happy writing!